As a result, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be unveiled at the Unpacked event in less than 2 months. We have a lot of news regarding the phone, starting with dust resistance. There was a report circulating a while back that Samsung would include dust resistance on the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. And now we have some more information about what this could be. Samsung currently offers an IPX8 water resistance grade on their foldables. The letter X indicates that it has not been tested for dust. According to one source, both the Z Fold 5 and the Flip May 5 have an IP58 dust and water resistance classification. In this situation, the number 5 signifies that tests prove that the phone is dust protected. However, unlike IP68, this does not imply that it is dust tight. It offers some dust protection but should not be kept in settings where dust will impair its activities. Given that the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 contain moving parts, this advancement is significant. This is most likely owing to Samsung adopting a new hinge mechanism that is slimmer and lighter than the previous one. Samsung, however, will not be the first to provide minimal dust ingress protection. Motorola's new 2023 Razr phones have an IP52 rating. The number 2 indicates that the water-resistant grade isn't very excellent. However, I'd like to point you that this tipster has a poor track record. So now you know what to do. In any event, if Motorola can provide a restricted dust protection rating, so can Samsung. It would be a crying shame if they did not. In terms of the video's title, Samsung has officially announced that the Unpacked event for the new foldables will take place sooner than normal, in late July rather than mid-August. And instead of the United States, it will take place in Seoul, South Korea. Samsung did not give the precise date, however it is expected to be July 26th. Interestingly, the item on the official newsroom no longer appears to exist, implying that it was scheduled to go up earlier than expected. However, the internet never forgets. Following that, we have an update on the new colors for both foldables. The hues for the upcoming phones have already been revealed by display analyst Ross Young. The Z Fold 5 will be available in 3 colors, black, beige, and light blue. In addition, the Z Flip 5 is available in beige, gray, light green, and light pink. These are the more popular colors. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.